Lydia Okeyo, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Sirkal chalo ni okuwo e duol achiel. Ma ndio yangore bang' jatend migao mar omenda Njuguna Ndung'u yande yango ni sirkal onge kod pesa moromo mar tayo chenro kaka chulo osara. Kawuono jagoro mongirore migao no mar omenda miluongo ni Kiptoo to ne oramo ni aguch sirkal ber kendo nigi pesa mag tayo chenro go. Jafwambo mar Walter Nyambaga miyo ler.
We are even having trouble with salaries. I was even called by the governor in Nairobi County telling me that, look, I'm going to be impeached. What are we going to do? I have not given salaries. You can imagine we are facing a serious liquidity crisis, and that is why we can't come in as fast as we would like to.
Jumachel bang jatend migao mar omenda ngire Njuguna Ndung'u ketayanga ni sirkal onge omenda mar chulo kata mana jotije mag sirkal kata mana pesa mar NGCDF. Jagoro mongirore migao no Kiptoo to chalo mopogore kode paro kendo kone jotije sirkal ne pesa nitiere kendo osechulo osara mar dwe mar 11 to kendo osara mar dwe mar 12 bende biro ketne gimomondo.
So there should be no cause for alarm. We want everybody to go for Christmas when they're happy, but I don't want that misunderstanding that maybe we haven't paid salaries. We have paid, and I confirm to you as PS National Treasury that all salaries up to November have been fully settled, and we will continue doing the same for December and going forward. And I don't think a delay or two, which may have come in the past, should be a basis for saying that we are struggling. I think we are on course on that. And I want public servants to know that we will pay their salaries as and when is required.
Mageti mureka jo piny pori yuago pek manengi mato kod rach mar uchumi. Ka sirkal to nyonore ni uchumi dongo maber kendo makare ka jo piny ojiw mondo mi mana piny owacho thuolo.
In the last 6 months, our GDP has grown at a rate of 5.4%, making Kenya the 29th fastest growing economy in the world, according to the World Bank. I can now confirm, without fear of any contradiction, that Kenya is safely out of the danger of debt distress and that our economy is on a stable footing.
What I'm happy about is that inflation has dropped from 9.22% in July 2022. And that time we do know, and then the subsequent periods of drought, it was pushed by scarcity value.
Kagiti moromo mar chako budget mar 2023-2024 tiegruok mar Kenya School of Monetary Nairobi, migao mar omenda wacho ni duol machoko osuru pacho ka KRA ne geto choko osuru mar kakoro chenro mag sirkal okwamo.
Kenya Revenue Authority announced that it has now reached 1.1 trillion in terms of revenue collection, which is good progress. We expect KRA to collect at least 2.5 by end of the year, by June.
The Kenyan economy, the truth is that the first quarter of this year, we grew by 5.3%, second quarter 5.4%, and the other truth is that Kenya was actually the 29th fastest growing economy in the world. Now the issue, because I live in Kenya also, is that we have to keep on distinguishing between production and productivity.
Judito go koni sirkal mar Kenya biro yudo sir mar omenda maromo bilion 4.4 dola ma Amerika kowuok agulu mar IMF mar jolo chenro mag dongruok.
So we are going to get from IMF $4.4 billion in this the next 20 months. And this is sufficient in resources that we're going to have more dollars coming in, and that will help to cushion the exchange rate.
Katodo kone piny owacho mako chung' motegno ni uchumi dongo sipidi kamano jopiny to pod kino wigi ni onge okenge moseketi kod piny owacho mar fung'o pek mar ngima. Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV, Kasarani, Nairobi.